Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only. This driver recorded the accident where a red SUV driver decided to run away after hitting another car. This is the perfect example why you should use a dashcam. After pulling out over multiple lanes without proper checking, this driver got T-boned.
Oh dear, this could get good.
Hey, good afternoon.
How's it going?
Not bad. Interesting choice of vehicle today.
Oh, thank you. It's a Maverick.
Do you have your driver's license, possibly ownership and insurance for this thing?
Yeah, there's a license. There you go, somewhere.
Tail for rip, are you, bud? Just give me a sec, all right?
Yeah.
I can't give you any tickets or anything today, but just get out of here.
All right. Sorry.
Okay.
Thanks, Wes. Take care.
My God, dude, what the Holy
Another hit and run accident, but this time, luckily the police were right there to witness the accident. Car ahead ran the stop sign in front of the police and got served by instant justice.
Stop like playing Monopoly. Get him. Get him. Oh, instant justice. Oh. The next night, the next night.
In the almost empty parking lot, this driver managed to hit another car and then run away. Unfortunately, this camera didn't catch the license plate.
Hoisted it onto his shoulder and clicked the dial to WMMS, buzzard radio. Party to the mighty Bosstones erupted before Mrs. Allen, the U.S. history.
Driver got struck from behind while waiting at traffic light.
Idiot! Idiot! I've got your camera!
Kid runs away from his mother. Luckily, nobody got hurt.
Oh, Jesus! Oh, bro!
Then driver was totally oblivious while making right turn. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.